Hello and welcome to this news briefing on EV on Hypeno. This hour we are exploring Tesla's Model 3 Highland refresh, as more signs point to imminent release. Let's get started. It is Tesla's worst-kept secret, and China's sales figures for July 2023 prove it. Despite a year-over-year increase, there has been a 31% decline in sales from June. Shoppers are eagerly awaiting the newest version of the Model 3 and don't want to spend money on something that will be the old model next month. This is further reinforced by Tesla's recent filing with the Chinese government, seeking what looks to be approval for the redesigned Highland Model 3. Before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel to enable you to learn of your preferences and to receive notifications every time new videos are uploaded on the channel. Let's get going. According to Twitter, users Chris Zheng and Wuhua, who have provided a lot of excellent inside information, Tesla has begun producing its latest Model 3 at its Jiga Shanghai facility. With the production lines currently alternating between the older and newer Model 3, a complete transition to the Highland refresh is expected by mid-August, August 14 to be exact, suggesting a possible release of the vehicle as early as September. This calculated maneuver coincides with extended delivery times for the Model 3 in the European market. Since European Model 3 units come from Jiga Shanghai, this aligns seamlessly with the timelines required to ship the newly produced cars from China to Europe. The Highland refresh is not just a cosmetic enhancement, it promises to be a significant upgrade. The next-generation Model 3 is poised to exhibit design updates and substantial improvements in hardware and production processes. Features such as ventilated seats, improved interior lighting, and Smart Shift are expected to be included. The Model 3 refresh is also expected to be lighter and more cost-efficient to manufacture. This model also integrates Hardware 4.0 and at least one additional camera mounted on the front bumper. As Tesla gears up for this monumental event, it will continue to face a challenge to convince prospective buyers to purchase the existing Model 3. You know, that one that was cutting-edge technology just a few minutes ago. Production is expected to be in full swing at both Jiga Shanghai and Fremont factories by the end of the month. This unveiling could significantly stimulate demand in the fourth quarter. Interestingly, the fourth quarter starts October 1. And the last day you can transfer full self-driving to a new vehicle is September 30. Sign, everywhere a sign. A recent Cybertruck photo revealed that Tesla will let drivers access the video feed from the vehicle's front bumper camera. The picture surfaced on Reddit that shows the center screen of the Cybertruck displaying a view from what can only be a front bumper camera. Not only does the image on Reddit confirm that Tesla is introducing a front bumper camera on the Cybertruck, but they already have the software developed to access the new camera feed. The new camera could greatly enhance parking and navigation. This front view adds a new dimension to vehicle awareness, particularly in tight spaces, complex urban environments, or when pulling as far forward as possible in a garage. The partial image of the Cybertruck screen shows the front bumper camera streamed on the vehicle's display. The front camera appears to be displayed using the vehicle's existing camera app, which is to display the backup camera. Our first glimpse at the front bumper camera UI and previous comments by Elon Musk may reveal just how the updated camera app will work. Today, the camera app displays the reverse camera on top, and if enabled, the fender or repeater cameras are shown underneath. However, this new photo appears to illustrate something much more helpful. We can see the front bumper camera on top and smaller, thumbnail-like camera views underneath it. These narrower thumbnails lead us to believe that Tesla will have 3 thumbnails underneath the main camera instead of 2. You'll have access to the front, reverse, left, and right fender views. Looking further back, we may just see where Tesla is headed with this new feature. In 2020, Tesla added the ability to display the left/right fender camera views when using the reverse camera. Right after the side repeater cameras were made available, a Tesla owner asked Musk whether it would be possible to enlarge the side view cameras when backing up. In his unmistakable style, Elon replied, "Yes, coming soon." Based on Musk's comment and the UI in the spy photo, it looks like Tesla is doing just that. You will likely be able to tap on any of the camera views in the app to enlarge them, allowing you to seamlessly switch between the front, rear, and repeater camera views. This layout is similar to what Tesla already provides in their Sentry Mode viewer, which allows you to tap on various camera views to enlarge them on the screen. Tesla may even go one step further and automatically switch between the front and rear-facing cameras depending on whether you're moving forward or backward. Tesla's camera app is starting to look like the multi-camera view introduced in the Tesla app recently. However, it falls short of a true 360-degree image, or bird's eye view, that Tesla owners have been requesting. Adding a front bumper camera could significantly reduce the blind spot issue that became more apparent when Tesla removed the sensors from the front bumper. Tesla's decision to remove the ultrasonic sensors, US, in late 2022 sparked debates and left several questions unanswered. Many were concerned about the effectiveness of the Tesla Vision system in replacing the US. As soon as the new vehicles were in the wild, Tesla owners were keen on testing the accuracy of Tesla Vision. It became clear that there was a blind spot directly in front of the bumper. This new camera location would correct that issue, though it does not provide the 360° view that some owners and critics call for. The Reddit image does not indicate that this has been implemented, leaving room for speculation and possibly future enhancements. In connection with the Cybertruck's front bumper camera, there is growing excitement regarding the Tesla Model 3 Highland refresh. The newly designed bumper shape and smoother front end, combined with redesigned headlights, provide opportunities for more technology implementation. Trusted sources have confirmed that a front bumper camera will indeed be part of the Highland update, reinforcing the connection between these two vehicles and the company's forward-thinking approach. While the Reddit revelation of the Cybertruck's front bumper camera view is fascinating, it's worth noting that this innovation may lead to further discussions and considerations within the Tesla community and the automotive industry. Including a front bumper camera on the Cybertruck and possibly the Model 3 Highland aligns with Tesla's continuous advancements in design and technology, marking a significant development for the company and its consumers. It represents a tangible step in solving real-world driving challenges, enhancing the driving experience without drastically changing the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. A Friday night cruise with Elon Musk has shown the world just how far Tesla's full self-driving has advanced and gave viewers a preview of real-world problems. To take a line from Rob Zombie, the latest iteration of FSD may be more human than human, which could be an issue. Nothing but net, proclaimed Musk as he live-streamed to X.com, a video with more than 42 million views. The Tesla CEO referred to neural nets, the technology underpinning version 12 of FSD. Tesla is removing 300,000-plus lines of code running the current FSD and is now relying on the car's neural networks to drive the car in V12. Driving through Palo Alto, California, Musk, with Ashok Ellaswamy, Tesla's director of autopilot software, sitting shotgun, picked random places for the models to drive to, and it did so smoothly and almost perfectly. The test drive started with a construction zone, which was easily handled, but interestingly, at the end of the cones, the car wasn't jerking over to find a lane immediately. Instead, like a confident human driver, it easily made its way to the lane with no oncoming traffic. We also watched as it effortlessly navigated speed bumps, roundabouts, pedestrians, bicyclists, and, of course, traffic. For those who have had successful drives with FSD, you may be thinking, what's the big deal? Musk underscored that this version of FSD does not rely on hard-coded programming or a constant internet connection to function. All necessary inference occurs locally, a significant departure from previous versions. "This is all nets, baby, nothing but net," Musk exclaimed, emphasizing the vehicle's dependency on machine learning rather than programmed instructions. The software operates at full frame rate, taking 8 cameras at 36 frames per second to decide what to do. No line of code tells the car what to do at an intersection, on the highway or around other vehicles. The software was impressive to watch, with its countless improvements over the current V11 version of FSD. Musk's vehicle kept a reasonable speed throughout the drive, even though autopilot was set to a maximum speed of 85 miles per hour. When Musk reached his destination, the vehicle also automatically pulled over to the side of the road to park itself, instead of just stopping in the middle of the road like it does today. Instead, Tesla has shown the car countless videos of real-world driving, so that it will learn what to do in those situations, but that has caused a problem. As the car noticeably did not come to full stops, Musk explained the challenge posed by the fact that less than 0.5% of drivers come to a complete stop at stop signs. This makes it incredibly difficult to program the vehicle with such sparse data on people obeying the law. This lack of data highlights Tesla's obstacles in training its AI systems to operate in real-world scenarios where human drivers frequently do not adhere to the rules. This appeared in a few other instances where the car behaved like a confident driver, not endangering anyone but technically breaking the rules of the road. FSD suddenly went from the nervous teenager learning to drive to a good driver. But we know how the NHTSA feels about Tesla not following the rules. In February, the watchdog issued a recall stating that Tesla was acting too human. I mean not following the rules. It cited FSD beta software, traveling or turning through certain intersections during a stale yellow traffic light. The perceived duration of the vehicle's static position at certain intersections with a stop sign, particularly when the intersection is clear of any other road users. Adjusting vehicle speed while traveling through certain variable speed zones based on detected speed limit signage and slash, or the vehicle's speed offset setting that is adjusted by the driver. Yes, I'm sure we all stop at every yellow light, come to a complete stop at every stop sign, and never go over the speed limit. Kudos to Tesla and Musk for this real-world demonstration. And if there was any speculation that it was rigged, Musk did have to intervene at an advanced left-hand signal. This small glitch, Musk reassured, could be addressed with further training and data collection. There will be a lot of training, announced Tesla's commitment to invest $4 billion over the next 2 years in training computing, signaling the company's dedication to perfecting this groundbreaking technology. We hope you found some useful content in this briefing. That's where we wrap things up for the time being. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.